requires work, and that requires some difficult choices, and both at the strategic level and the tactical level.
Going forward, we'll continue to seek discussions with Russia on a step we have never taken before, reducing not only our strategic nuclear warheads, but also tactical weapons and warheads in reserve.
While orchestrating a successful plan to secure and reinforce key points of the battlefield, Staff Sergeant Romeshay maintained radio communication with the Tactical Operations Center.
See, Tom's that rare combination of the strategic and the tactical. At the same time, we'll work with our NATO allies to seek bold reductions in U.S. and Russian tactical weapons in Europe. And
Specialist Carter's heroic actions and tactical skill were critical to the defense of Combat Outpost Keating, preventing the enemy from capturing the position and saving the lives of his fellow soldiers.
So my simple point is this: if we can get beyond the tactical advantages that parties perceive in painting folks as extreme and trying to keep an eye always on the next election, and for a while at least just focus on governing, then there is probably 70% overlap on a whole range of issues. As President of the United States, I'm going to have different tactical perspectives than the Prime Minister of Israel, and that is understandable, because Israel cannot contract out its security in light of the history that...
Following tactical artillery and airstrikes on the heavily secured enemy position, Sergeant First Class Conde Falcone's platoon was selected to assault and clear the bunker fortifications.
It's like a very typical job interview.
Without gunship, artillery, or tactical air support, the enemy concentrated all firepower on his lone aircraft, which was immediately damaged by a mortar round that shattered both front windshields and the chin bubble, and was further raked by small arms and machine gun fire.
Because it should be clear that although you may achieve tactical victories, over the long term, the Assad regime cannot slaughter its way to legitimacy.